Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Surfshark VPN on Mac and set split tunneling detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser on your Mac. Go to the official Surfshark website. Click on the Get Surfshark button. Choose your preferred subscription plan and proceed to create an account. Once your payment is processed, log in to your Surfshark account. Navigate to the Downloads section. Select the Mac version of the Surfshark VPN application. Click on the Download button to start downloading the installer. Once the download is complete, open the downloaded file. Drag and drop the Surfshark application into the Applications folder. Wait for the application to be copied. Now, go to your Applications folder and locate the Surfshark app. Double-click the Surfshark app to open it. If prompted, confirm that you want to open the application. Log in using the account credentials you created earlier. You may be asked to grant necessary permissions. Follow the on-screen prompts to allow Surfshark to operate correctly. Once logged in, you will see the main dashboard of Surfshark. To enable split tunneling, go to the Settings menu. Look for the Split Tunneling option in the settings. Toggle the split tunneling feature to enable it. You will see options to manage applications under split tunneling. Choose whether to whitelist or blacklist specific apps. To whitelist an application, select Bypass VPN for these apps. Add the applications you want to bypass the VPN connectivity. To blacklist an application, select Connect these apps to VPN only. Add the applications that should only connect through Surfshark. After configuring split tunneling, make sure to save your settings. Return to the main dashboard and select a server location. Click the Connect button to establish a VPN connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.